It's time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. We have Ed Ciarimboli with us today and Harry McGrath. Good to see you guys.
Good to see you again. It worked so well yesterday. We're back.
Back again. Happy to have you. You always have such great advice for our viewers. So let's get to today's question. This is coming from Matt in Lake Ariel. He says, I have been separated from my wife for 20 years. We never divorced and had no children. I just found out she was killed in a crash with a tractor trailer. We have remained very close over the years. Do I have any rights?
Yeah, so this is not all that uncommon. We actually have a case going on very similar to to this, and in fact, you do have rights. I said they said no children, right? So
right, but not divorced.
Right, they're not divorced. There's no children. Her mom and dad aren't alive. So the husband, who's not an ex-husband, is going to be the only person that's actually going to have a legal claim, under the wrongful death and survival action. So, yes, you do have rights, and you can pursue them on behalf of the estate for your wife who was separated. So, yeah, Harry, tell me, Harry's actually working on a case like this, right now. So it does become a little bit tricky and a little bit complex, but
right. And one of the things you're going to need to make sure you do is, get with a lawyer who can get the estate open properly, because there's going to need to be an administrator that's appointed who oversees the lawsuit and who actually is the person who can sign the documents to file it with the court. Now, it sounds as if you and your wife still had a good relationship. That doesn't mean there might be other people in her life that are interested in doing this. As the husband, you have the right to do it first, but it's important to act quickly and to get with the lawyer to discuss your options at the outset, especially when it involves a tractor-trailer crash.
All right,
Absolutely.
sounds like it might be a more common case than we thought.
Yep.
And don't forget, if you need legal advice, you can call them or check them out online. And results matter with attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Harry McGrath. Guys, thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you, Haley.
All right, and PAHomepage.com for The Law and You and the hotline. You can always check it out online.